This is the Ikon WSW w10. This is the interior version because it's a padlock one, and I'm not picking it in the padlock, not because of the core tension or anything, but because of the fact that there's a lot of traps in this, and I don't want to get it stuck inside the lock in a trap. So, yeah. I'm also going to be picking it counterclockwise, and I can't do that inside the lock anyway, so I'd love to get an exterior version of this. They have dual sidebars with more sliders. Where is my pick at? Ah, here we go. Sorry. There we go. Think the top set. Let's check. It feels like it. I'm using a number 10 multi-pick G Pro to start with. I'm gonna switch to a little bit deeper. Come on. I got my pick stuck sideways. Come on. There we go. Oops. It sounded like it was still okay. Oh, nope, dropped it. Gotta use two tensioners just because of how wide this opening is. There we go. Oh, there it is. And it is in a trap as well, of course. Like I said, that's why I take it out. Whew. First time I've picked a black belt lock on video, I think. I've picked this thing quite a few times, but not on video. There's the bidding again. And let's see. Zoom out a little bit. Sorry about the mess. Been repinning a bunch of 83 series padlocks that I got on eBay. This thing is a pain to get off when it goes into the trap because of how they put the... Maybe I can spin it around. There we go. That was easier than usual. So now it just kind of can come right out. I just got to get a follower, and you got to hold the sliders will all want to come out, as well as the sidebar is going to want to come out. And then you got to make sure that the top pins don't fall out. So, yeah. Let's see, where are my... Alright. Let's see what fits this thing. Too big. Oh, looks like it'll do. Alright. Okay, I'm going to put the sidebar down first. Okay. Let me find something to grab that little bitty spring. Maybe zoom in a little bit for you guys. Sorry about my dirty fingers. I got fucking... I was out tending to my pot plants, and they are just sticky and disgusting right now. But they smell really good, if you ask me. And yeah, it's just a mess every time I go out there. Okay, so I'm gonna try and put this key back in so that I don't lose all these sliders. Come on. There we go. All right, sweet. Now I can deal with the top. Alrighty, and These have these weird nipple tipped pins, and if you look into the core, that's because of how it's shaped in there. They just the little tips stick out, and that's what interacts with the key and with the pick. And here's the other side where the secondary sidebar would go. In the exterior version, it has 2 more sliders. So yeah, that's why I want to try the exterior version. And then this is the sidebar side with the sliders that I just picked. I'll take out one at a time backwards. So this is number 5. Let me get you guys a good view of how these sliders are. Again, sorry about my sticky, gross fingers. And if you notice how the finger sticks out to one side, it could be the left side or the right side, depending on the pin that they put in the lock, and that's how they master these, apparently, as well as it makes it harder to pick because, pick placement. But yeah, it has like 3 false gates above and 2 or 3 below for this one. This is number 5. Make room for the rest of those, and we will get on our way. And now for the drivers. Make some room for them. Looks like one is a little spool. Two is also a spool. Slider springs up there. 3, also a spool. 4 is standard. 5 is standard. 6 is also standard. Okay. And there's the core, and as you can see, there's multiple grooves for the sidebar, and that's how I fell into that trap as soon as I picked it. I'm pretty sure it happens no matter what direction you go. If there's no key in there holding the sidebar in place, it just pops back out, and yeah, you're pretty much screwed. I think you can pick your way out of it. I've never tried. It would only be the sliders that engage. I guess next time I'll pick it and get it into that trap and try it, but I'm not going to do it in the padlock, that's for sure. In any case, let me give you guys a good close-up and try to arrange these sliders so they can be seen a little bit better. Yeah, of course. I'm dropping stuff. I heard it. false alarm. Okay, so here's another close-up. This one has a bunch of false gates below and just one above. But yeah, these things are hard to line up correctly, so I'm just going to give you guys a close-up best that I can. And show you guys the sidebar isn't like filed down or anything. It's all there. And thank you all for watching, and have a good day.